Alright, so what's up, guys? Damn, that's a mess back there in my garage. I'm actually today the video is gonna be about me like showing you guys how to do like a easy like repair on a rim, like when they're hella messed up. There was 4 of them doing it. I was doing it for one of my friends called Mario. So there was 4 of them. They were like hella messed up, like hella curb rash and everything. And easy, you could fix 4 rims for like, I don't know, it's 20 to 30 bucks, and that's mostly spray paint and a little bit of sandpaper. So I'll be using this tool, or use regular sand machine. You get one at Harbor Freight for like 30 bucks. That's how I did my first rims, and then now I got that. It's not even mine, it's my dad's. But basically, this is a rim. I had already sanded it, but since it is spray paint, when you spray over it, like all this dark spot right here, can you guys see that? All that, it won't cover it. Maybe if you do black, it'll cover. But today I'm doing like a aluminum silverish, like I don't even know what it's called, like a silver, and that doesn't cover the black. So what you guys have to do, I'll show you guys, but basically you have to take it down almost to like the bare metal, and then just leave like a little line right here on this corner, and then that way it'll like follow this line, and you won't even, this line right here, yeah, and then you guys won't even be able to tell there's like that line is there once everything is sanded. Also, I did curb rash repair on these. They're like bad, so I did as much as like the best I could, like this right here. Also told him, like, if you get them powder coated, after I sand, all that curb rash is gonna go away. But he didn't really want to put too much money into these, so he decided to go with what you would call it. Oh, with spray paint, which is fine by me. So I'll show you guys how much to take it down, and then we'll go from there. See right here how it's already starting to let me put that down right here. It's already starting to come off, so I'm just gonna go a little bit more, and then I'll show you guys where to leave the line and stuff. All right, so this is just that one little piece. There's like 10 seconds later after that last clip. You see how it's very down to the metal right now? And to take all these little lines off, you could just go off with the sanding machine, like some soft grit, and that'll go away super quick. And then that's how it was, and then this is how it should be. And as you guys can see, I told you just leave the line right here, and when you spray over it, it won't be noticeable. Or you guys can do sand it all the way here too. It all depends on how much you're willing to work, I guess. I might just take this black spot off right here too, just not to risk it. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep going at it, and then I'll update you guys after they're all done. Later, maybe 5-10 minutes. I brought it down to the metal on all of them. I'll show you guys all down to the metal. All that little stuff won't really matter. What are these, like 350Z rims, I think? 19s. Oh, and the only reason life hack you guys can do is like to not spray the tire. You put flashcards right here in between the rim and the tire, all around, and then that's like the easiest way I feel like if you're not gonna take the whole tire off. But for me, these tires are shot, and he's gonna replace them anyway. So I just said, let me just paint them, then you can replace them after. And all we're using is well, all I'm using is what is this? Rust-Oleum aluminum bonds to metal, plastic, and more. So that's all I'm using. I'm gonna do 3 coats of this, and then like 2-3 coats of gloss clear also. So let's get this started. Already been shaking it for a little while too. At first, you guys want to give it like a lighter coat. Here, I'll show you guys. Oh, so you see how that's like after you sand it, it all sort of disappears. And I did give it a quick wipe down after I sanded too. Watch this. Again, this is one of the cheaper ways of trying to fix your rim. From making it look like a 5 out of 10, not even like a, let's say like a 2 out of 10, to like a decent 8 out of 10, I would say. For what it is and for the price you pay. These I just offered it. He just bought the paint. I mean, he bought me my caliber paint, and I just told him, because he asked me, I was like, how much would you charge me? I just said, just buying my caliber paint, because I had to buy it anyway. And I was like, and then we're cool. Alright, so I'm gonna wait for this one to dry like 10 minutes, and then give it a couple more coats, and then the gloss clear. Alright, so I just got done spraying the rim. It's been like 30 minutes later, I would say. Like I said, for a spray paint job, I mean, for 20-30 bucks, it's not bad. It's glossy. Like I said, I just sprayed, what kind of gloss was it? Here, I'll show you guys. Alright, Rust-Oleum, also gloss clear. Same brand. I usually typically use that brand to if they do want spray paint. So yeah, super easy. Probably get all 4 done looking like this, and I would say like 2 hours worth of your day. Super glossy. Yeah, so this is probably gonna be a short video. I'm gonna make this into one. It's like a little walk around. And I think he's gonna come pick them up tomorrow because I have too much crap in my garage. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.